I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Madrasa Baidul Ulum Singhi and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Good evening to my respected teacher and my blood brothers, as we have gathered here to celebrate this auspicious occasion. I would like to speak on education. It is very hard to imagine a world without colleges and schools. I think it is impossible for everyone. And every one of us gets problem waking up early in the morning or studying all through the night. During monthly tests and examination. However, we all know about value and importance of education in our life. It is not true that if one does not get proper education, he becomes fail in life. However, education is very important for all. Education is very important all of us. Education is very important to all of us. It is impossible for everyone to accept and to get education in this advanced world. Educated people are better able to fulfill their dreams in comparison to the uneducated person. Education is very important a person to overcome all the ancient and superstition which negatively affects our lives. Even after being baseless and useless, and uneducated people, because without education it is impossible for everyone. A well-educated person become more aware to the latest technologies, and more update and keeps himself more updated going through God in this world, in this advanced world of internet. Everyone of us in this world go to internet and search required information and get online and quick knowledge. And uneducated people not know all benefits of internet. However, educated person knows all benefits of internet, and they use their life, their personal life and professional life to make happy career, to make himself happy and to make happy career. In the last, may Allah help us, may Allah give us tawfiq, we all complete our education. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.